How to download offline maps in Google Maps for Android. So hey guys, if you want to download maps so that you can use them later when you have no active internet connection, then this video is for you. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the offline maps in your Google Maps application. So to start, you need to open Google Maps application, and then from here simply click onto your profile picture at the top right. Once you will click here, you can see these options, and one such option is the offline maps. So simply click onto the offline maps, and here it will give you this interface. So then you need to click onto this select your own map button, and once you will do this, you will have this particular area of which you can define, and the map will download that particular area. So basically all of the map within this particular rectangle will be downloaded in the offline map. So you can adjust this according to your preference, but make sure that the larger the amount of the map that you will be capturing, the more space it will require. So for now, let me capture this particular area of New Delhi. So as here you can see that this will consume about 575 or around 600 megabytes of space in total. So this depends varying upon the places and the nearby buildings, as well as the data that is present within a certain area. So for example, let me download this particular area of the map, and here you can see that it will use about 110 megabytes of space. So once you have done this, click onto this download button, and then since currently I'm not on the Wi-Fi, it is giving me a warning that it will use my mobile network. So that is okay for me. So click onto this download now button, and here you can see that the map is currently being downloaded, and at the bottom you can also check the percentage of how much it has been downloaded. So let us wait for it to get downloaded. So here you can see, once your offline map has been successfully downloaded, you have some other options to do. What other operations you can perform are that you can update this map if you want by clicking onto this update button, or you can view it if you want to view the map. You may also choose to rename it, and then you have the option to delete it. So to view the map, click onto the three dots and click onto this view button, and here you can see that you are currently viewing the offline version of the map. So that's how easy it is to download any offline map in your Android Google Maps application. So if this video was any help to you, do make sure to give it a like. Do tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any queries or suggestions. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.